Hello guys, it's Rembie again. Welcome back to my channel. So for those who watched my previous videos, thank you so much for watching. So for this project, we needed 100% polyester and 3mm hook. Then we will be using also 2 pieces of pads, and also we will be needed a needle, yarn needle. Then it's super nice to wear this, guys, in the beaches, or when you only want to sit outside when it's a nice weather, especially now that it's summer. So I wish you will like this video. It's super easy and super comfortable to wear. So let's start by making chains. Then we will be making 105 chains, or it depends on how wide you want, or maybe you're bigger or smaller than me. But with me it's fine because I'll be using an extra chain later for to attach them. So here we are. Here's our 105. Then from the last chain we will go back to the third chain and do the double crochet. It's super easy, and even if you are a newbie, then and everything that I'm making is just very simple patterns. Everybody can catch up with it. So just keep on doing this, and I'll be back to you later when we needed to go back for the next line. Now that we're here, we will add additional 3 chains. After that, we will flip it over and then continue doing our double crochet. Then with me, I only have to do 15 times back and forth of double crochet, and it's already good for me for how big my bikini top. But if you want it bigger or smaller, you can just adjust it. But with me, it's 15 times back and forth. Before we can add our parts, guys, we have to form it to the design that we are trying to achieve. And also I will be using different color for the design in the sides and for the straps. So guys, what we're going to do, guys, is look for the center. You can also use some pins so that you will know where is the center. Then you have to fold the other part, then do this. It's super easy. I will be doing this another time so you can see it clearly. Then you have to look for, or you can use different ropes that can support to tie it up, or you can just make a crochet at the same time. Even if it's just single, it's already super nice to look at. So for the last time, guys, I'll be showing it with you how to fold it, and just do that. The moment you are holding it and you're seeing my direction, for sure it's so easy for you, or even just by looking at this, you already can do it on your own. So here's our 80 chains rope. Just tie it up twice so we are sure that it's very secured. So you can see it's in the center, and you can adjust if it's not. Then we will start doing single crochet For the different color, this will be the last design for our top. Just do it all around, then I'll be back to you when we have to do the petals on the sides. It's just super easy, just do it all the way around. So guys, I don't know if you appreciated the color combinations that I did. So after this, guys, so I started here, as you can see. I'm sorry, it's a bit blurry. I started from here, then I crochet it around here with using single crochet. Then we will flip it over. We will be doing the other side later, and then we will make the final design. You saw it. I did two. I added two, and then this is how we are going to do this. We will go here to the next chain, then one or two rather, three, four. Then on the last part, we will be putting it here on the same chain. So that's it. Another time, one, two, and then the next hole, one, two, one, two, one, two. So it's already the fourth. Again, we will put it here again on the same chain, and then do the same. I think it's clear enough. Two, so guys, now that we are here on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sixth petals, I call it petals. It looks like a petals of flowers. So we will start making our strap. So from there, for my strap, guys, I made 92 for 2 extras. Then we will go back from 1 to here and make it double, so our strap will be strong enough. But if you are lazy or ready to do it, single is also fine. But with mine, I will be doing this. So because after this, you can just go directly and keep doing or keep making the petals going around here. So I think you already saw enough how you go back. This is super easy pattern. So guys, here it is now, our strap. Then what we have to do is to continue is go here to the next one. Just attach them like that. Sorry. There. and go through again and continue making the petals for 1, 2, and 1. So guys, after here, so as you can see, I already have here 1, 2, second hole. So if you notice, it's different here than here. So because this will be the hole where our chain later will go through when to attach them. So I'll be showing you how I do it. 3, then 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I already made my chain for the back, so it's just single crochet. Now we will be attaching the pads. Then also here now the last part. So then I will let it go under here, then put it up here and cut. So you won't, it's not noticeable. And then we're done. And the last thing we have to do is just to attach the chains. Then we will be adding some beads. If you will have some beads, you can add here also. But me, I think I'll be adding some. So we will start from the top. Just use your, if you want to use your needle, you can also use your needle. But for me, it's more convenient with my hooks. Gather them together in the middle. What I am going to do, I will just go directly from here, 1, 1, 2, the third, and also the other one, 1, 2, 3. Then another time here. And then So that's it. There it is. Then guys, what I'm gonna do is I have these beads, wooden beads. I am going to attach them here. It looks big, but it's too light. Then after it went through, what you only have to do is this. Just tie them. Just make a knot so that it won't be able to get through. So if you see that it's still not enough, just double or triple. So here's our finished product. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to like and share, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. God bless us all, and bye bye. See you on my next one.